I mean, if you think about it, today, Alzheimer's disease is diagnosed in only 50% of patients. And that's only after several years of them having symptoms. This is mainly because current methods to diagnose Alzheimer's disease are expensive, invasive, and simply impractical for early detection. This has to change, especially now where disease-modifying drugs are becoming available. ReadySpec is a medical device startup that is focused on early and accurate detection of Alzheimer's disease by leveraging existing eye scans that are available worldwide with artificial intelligence, cutting-edge technology, and advancement in research and neuroscience in order to enable, at the point of care, accurate diagnostics of Alzheimer's disease pathology by simply imaging the eye.
The Davos Alzheimer's Collaborative is an initiative of the World Economic Forum, which is seeking to ensure that health systems around the world are prepared for the world where we have disease-modifying drugs available to treat Alzheimer's disease. What that means for us is that we are working with broadly accessible optometry clinics in order to test how well these sites work as a point of access.
In routine checkups, we're always looking at a patient's retina, which is really the very front portion of a patient's brain. So most of my patients have been very excited about this, whether they do have a memory concern or don't, and it's helped to reduce the stigma that sometimes surrounds this topic. And because they're in a very familiar setting, doing a familiar test, which is the retinal imaging, it reduces a level of stress that may be associated with other tests. It's such a painless, quick thing that we can do for our patients, so it just makes sense to incorporate this into our routine eye exams. So after the images are done, they're ready to be analyzed. Those images are interpreted and they could be sent to the family doctor, who will then review the results with the patient and guide them to receive the treatments and the next steps to help improve their life.
For me, being able to provide that option to people in their communities, where they live, where they work, in a really simple, affordable, accessible manner is a game changer. And I'm really proud to be a part of it.
What makes me hopeful about ReadySpec is the fact that we are able to provide the patient information about their brain at the point of care, and they could really take control of their health in an accessible and timely way. And this is really what it's all about.